Download and install LightBurn software. Import the .lbdev configuration file. Select the correct serial port and the engraver. Set the device parameters. Set the engraving parameters. Click Frame to trace the boundary. Click Start to engrave.